as you can see, I've already started. I took off the casings from my chorizo, the onion, and the garlic, and I've been sauteing them for a little while until the onions get nice and soft. The chorizo's already cooked, so it's not really about cooking the chorizo, it's more about warming it. This is somewhat of a lukewarm salad, and it could be a side dish as well. But I've taken all that. I'm going to put it in a bowl so that I can start mixing it all together. My recipe is doubled, so if you see me put more stuff than you think, like 2 cans of garbanzos here, of chickpeas, really you only need 1 for the actual recipe. Make sure you take out any of the loose skin from the chickpeas, because sometimes that could be yucky when you're eating it. I've taken my piquillo peppers, so you can find these in a jar whole, and then I just slice them up really nice. Now that I've added my piquillo peppers, I'm going to mix it in a little bit. But something I failed to mention is that you should make sure that your garbanzos are nice and clean and dry before you put them in the salad. I'm going to add salt and pepper to taste. You can, if you like it salty, go ahead. The chorizo is kind of salty, so you might not need as much. I'm going to get ready to plate it, but before I plate it, I'm going to add my vinegar. And I do this last because I don't want it to break down the salad too much, the garbanzos. As you notice, I put a little bit more because, like I said before, I'm doubling my recipe. But mix it in really well, and then serve it. And then we finally put some parsley on top, just to make it pretty and also give it a different dimension. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this page. Oh, and follow me on social media at Lisette Invita. Remember, subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time.